Hello and welcome to another one of our weather videos, but today we are looking at how California is getting demolished with a ton of storms while we have winter storm Freya incoming. But first, if we look at today's flash flood risk, you can see that we're most likely going to see a bunch of flash floods all around here in the yellow in northern California. And then all in this green area, we're going to have possible flash floods all throughout here, so make sure to be ready if you're in California. And then this does quite well correlate with our rainfall map, where we're going to have up to 5 inches up here in Northern California, which will be very bad. And then we are also looking at landslides around here by Los Angeles from the fires burning away all the vegetation. So make sure to be on the heavy lookout if you're anywhere in this blue area near Los Angeles. And then we're also going to have a rainstorm over here up to 2.5 inches. And then we might have a problem over here in the northwest. But then we are going to have a very, very big problem with Winter Storm Freya in the northwest. And I repeat, very big problem, especially in California, where if you live over here, get all your supplies ready because you are going to be trapped inside your house. You are going to have over 5 feet of snow. That's right, 5 feet of snow all throughout here in the Brownie area over here in California. And then we have 2 to 3 feet over here all throughout the northwest. And then we're mainly just looking at problems all throughout the northwest. And then we have our possible snowstorm over here by New England and down here over in West Virginia. But of course, with all winter storms comes freezing rain. But with our future potential winter storm, we are looking at a very big freezing rain problem where we will have up to 1 inch or more over here in this blue area in between West Virginia, Maryland, and all these blue dots. And then we have up to 0.5 inches all throughout the green areas. So be ready for very slick roads if you're in these areas. And then also taking a quick look at the National Weather Service advisories, you can see that we have a large area of winter storm advisories throughout the northwest. And then there's also a tiny area along the coast here. Then we have a fog advisory over here along the Gulf Coast, which it may expand tomorrow morning, so be ready for that. And then we have our potential winter storm with winter storm watches over here in Pennsylvania, Maryland, and West Virginia. And then if we finally look at all this on the radar, you can see that we have heavy snow and storms over here in California currently, with a few flurries and rain over here in New England. But then if we keep going, you can see that California just keeps on getting smashed with snow. And then we have our future winter storm, which won't even be mainly snow. We will mainly be looking at a big problem with a ton of ice, where you see all this pink as it just rampages throughout all of these areas, bringing snow on the north side of it as it first approaches. But then we have heavy icing, especially in Pennsylvania and southern New York. And then it eventually just moves off the coast by Saturday, where we have another strong ice threat on Sunday going into southern Ohio, Pennsylvania, and New Jersey, and then snow in all of these northern states as it just moves along. And then we even have another ice problem on Monday in the Carolinas and Virginia, causing many problems as we have our third winter storm by Wednesday. And then we have by Thursday another giant problem with a ton of ice as it moves through.